Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for everything tech and AI, and here's what's buzzing in the world of artificial intelligence today. Let's dive in. 1. OpenAI's Sora and GPT 4.5 evolution. First up, OpenAI's Sora is still making waves. This AI video generator is now being integrated into creative tools like Adobe Premiere and After Effects, giving creators cinematic video generation with just a prompt. Plus, GPT 4.5, the latest in the GPT series, is now part of ChatGPT Pro, and it's seriously pushing boundaries in reasoning, coding, and real-time data integration. Duo Google's Gemini 1.0 Turbo update. And don't count out the open source crowd. Meta's Llama 3 and Mistral's Mixtral models are showing that open weight models can compete with the big names. Hugging Face, meanwhile, continues to be the GitHub of AI. 6. AI Plus. Everyday apps. AI features are creeping into everything. Gmail writes your emails, Photoshop generates backgrounds, and even Notion is planning full-blown AI document generation. Soon, every app you use will have a little AI co-pilot. Is AI replacing coders? Alright, let's talk about something big, AI and the future of coding. We're not just talking code completion anymore, we're talking end-to-end automation of software development. 1. AutoGPT, GPT Engineer, and AI agents. AI agents like AutoGPT, GPT Engineer, and Small Developer are automating tasks that used to take entire dev teams. You give it a prompt, say, build me a task manager app with user login, a dashboard, and dark mode, and it generates full project files, sets up the database, writes the front end and back end, and sometimes even deploys it. 2. Replit's Ghostwriter and GitHub Copilot. X. Platforms like Replit and GitHub are pushing this even further with tools like Ghostwriter and Copilot X. They're not just giving you code snippets anymore. They now include autocomplete across entire files, natural language explanations of code bug detection, and fixes in editor AI chat to walk you through logic. These tools are evolving into pair programmers that handle boilerplate and even suggest architecture. 3. Open source Dev AI, Devin and SWE agents. Let's not forget Devin, the AI software engineer from Cognition Labs, which can write and debug code, navigate a dev environment, push commits to GitHub, solve real-world programming challenges on platforms like Upwork. Whether you're a solo dev or leading a startup, AI is becoming the ultimate coding sidekick. But the big question is, will it empower you or replace you? Let me know what you think in the comments.